It's recording right now. Okay. See how how's it recording there?
Yeah.
Should I do it with a fucking like a hat or something on?
Just do it.
I'm finding my hair tie.
Oh my Lanta, it's recording.
Yeah, I even have a hair tie. Okay. Don't I have a hair tie? No, that done. So first, cardboard.
Yeah.
Okay. So that's what we're gonna do here. Make sure your patterns are clashing while you.
And we're gonna put this on YouTube.
Fuck yes. So my name is Sabrina and we're gonna teach Bondo 101 today for cars. Okay. So typically I like to get a stick. Actually no, I lied. Come over here. I go in this little drawer. Now I get a little spatula. Okay.
Oh my God.
Okay.
Just do it.
I'm doing it. Okay, you're gonna get a good amount of Bondo. Not like that much. There we go. Okay.
No. How much is a can of that shit?
Typically 1 gallon.
Yeah, how much? Price.
Oh, excuse. I'm so sorry. Well, you know the good brands start out to be like around $30.
Wow.
Give or take.
They can go up to what?
I mean, typically up to like 40. I mean, shittier brands cost like $20. I've noticed, and we are in the USA. By the way, if you haven't noticed the freedom.
Oh my God.
All right, so. God damn, I need a fucking hair tie roll.
And I put that shit on my. I don't know.
I need a fucking hair tie roll. I need
Okay, and we're editing. Stop.
No, keep rolling. Okay. So, typically with your Bondo, now I don't know what the fuck to give as a fucking guideline of how much hardener, but usually I just, for that much the size of a pancake, okay? I usually typically, like to put, I like my Bondos to be happy, so I put $2 right there. Okay, a little smile. Yep. Then.
And this is going on YouTube.
Absolutely. You know what? That smile and needs another little thing right there. Perfect. All right. Then, to make it extra smooth, extra sanding, if you want it on, fiberglass and whatnot like that, you can add honey. Pause. Question for last. Thank you. My minion.
I won't say nothing.
As you can tell, he's bald.
Yeah.
All right. So then this is honey. This just makes it a little bit smoother to fucking
Honey,
sand.
real honey?
Yep, from the bees. You want to lick? You want to taste?
Are you serious?
I'm not fucking serious. That's just what's called, Morel.
I didn't know that.
Absolutely not. Do you think that we would harm any bees in this video?
Yes, we would. We named the dog Burnt.
No, the dog's name is fucking Fried Cake Loke. Thank you very much.
Fried Cake Loke.
Actually, say to Fried Cake Loke.
Okay, so basically the consistency is probably like the ratio is what? One.
Feels like Cool Whip.
1 to 5 with honey.
Sure, yeah. Honey, I mean, it's kind of like, you don't need to have it. I mean, if you're kind of doing like, a fucking insurance job and say, fuck it. But I mean, any nice things you want to like actually put some time into and you want it to actually come out a lot smoother when you're sanding it and blocking it, I would put some honey in there. Yes.
So the consistency of hardener is probably a 1 to 5 ratio.
Sure. Okay, let's just stick with the smiley face, okay? Stick with what we know, Mile.
So a pancake with a smiley face.
There we go.
2 dots in the smile.
That's the way we like to do it.
And a little bit of honey.
So then you throw that stick away.
Make
sure that you have at least wiped down or blown off all of your Bondo spots just so there's no dirt underneath. That way it will cause a reaction, aka it will be cruddy. Now, you have a time limit on this, so that's why it should fucking be working. Now, where's my fucking purse? Now, I like to use, instead of Bondo spatulas, actually player's card from Ghetto Ass Casinos like Poker Palace, okay? That's my favorite.
Oh my God.
Okay, hold on, wait, back it up. Are you still filming this? I hope you're filming a really good job.
Yes.
So you're gonna wanna cover anything that's basically metal showing and whatnot, and then, areas that aren't quite filled and smooth when you're blocking it. You don't wanna put in like this sort of direction, like just one or two scrapes, because you don't wanna like get, too many edges on the fucking.
So what's your time limit on that Bondo before it gets hard?
T-minus maybe 60 seconds.
Oh,
so
I can smell that already.
Okay, yeah. You smell that?
Yeah.
Smells like progress. So, we're going. Okay, now since I made this a little bit extra with more hardener, just because I like it to dry faster, and we're getting into the colder months, I'm going to want to work quickly, like so. Okay, perfect. You could go in each direction you might want. It's gonna take some time to get used to, because the first couple times I kind of fucked up hella bad, and then I kind of just like blended it paint wise and served the customer their car in the dark, just so they wouldn't see the waves. But you get better as we go.
You didn't hear that. We're gonna edit that.
No, we're not gonna edit it. This
Oh
is
my
the real shit.
God.
Okay. This is the real deal. This is the real fucking deal, guys. Okay. So it's long scrapes like that. Perfect. And moving down, moving down. Okay, I'm in some shop flops right now. Look at the shop flops. OSHA approved. Let me just tell you guys that. Okay? Doesn't matter what you wear, as long as you're not naked. If you are naked, you better be enjoyable to be looking at, because otherwise it's just no fun for anyone. Okay. So make sure you don't get in the cracks, because that's going to be a pain in the ass when you're trying to fucking sand it. Then your fucking fingers are going to start hurting really bad, because you're going to try to use your fingernails. And then you're going to have stubs like mine. Yeah, no, I can't have nails. Not at all. Not anymore. Not never. Fry cake Loke, can I have some assistance over here? Fry cake Loke. Come here, babies.
God.
Fry cake. Fry cake. Look, show my dog. That's Fry cake Loke. She assists me in, stressful times like as such. Okay, so we're past the 60-second mark. This isn't quite hardening, so that's good. That's good. Oh, they got my fucking foot. Look at my foot. See, this is why we wear shop flops. Okay? Keeping it OSHA approved once again. Alright, so we're gonna keep moving. This is a big section right here. Seda, can you get the tape? Thank you. Look at my tape. Look at the dog, look at the tape. She has massive tape on her head. Get a zoom into that, Morel. Please, get closer. Yep, Fry Cake Loke. That's why she's fried, she don't care. She don't give a fuck. Alright, cool. Alright, let's cover this fucking ugly piece of shit right here. Set the piece of shit right here. Okay, we're gonna keep going. So you see what direction I'm going? It's not really any direction. Oops,
Just looks smooth.
Yep, smooth. Like a baby's bottom. If you don't have a baby and you don't know what baby's bottom looks like, just feel your own. Should be smooth too. I don't know anyone's ass that's rough. That's not normal. Okay. Beautiful. Primer could be covered metal. You can use primer, but majorly the ones you want to get is just the holes, the pinholes, the little chips, the stuff that didn't really block out that well. And that's the major things that you want to get with Bondo.
So what's Bondo for and what's filler for?
Bondo is a brand name of body filler.
Oh, okay.
Okay, but everyone just calls it Bondo and they think that they know what they're doing, or they think they know what they're talking about. There we go. Thank you, Merle. It's fucking 5:30 in the morning. I'm kind of fried. Merle's fried. We're all fried. Fry cake's fried. She has masking tape still on her head. Go take a look. Absolutely. Get a zoom in on that. Get a zoom in. Thank you. It's for the people.
We're definitely gonna put this.
Dude, this is gonna go viral and I'm gonna laugh.
You fucking crazy.
Okay. So sometimes the spots are kind of complicated and sometimes it gets messy, so you're gonna want to put some masking tape on like the trim areas, just so you don't fuck that up. Because old car, you don't want to fuck up the fucking trim that's like 10 years old that you're not going to find anywhere else except on eBay from this guy that's selling it for like $200. Been there, done that. Okay. Cool. So I got that done. Alright, go outside. I know my Bondo skills aren't like the best, but I do with what I can. And this is what I'm doing. Okay, we got only a little bit left. We got, there's one more main spot. Oh yeah, right. What was it, Okay, so you see how now it's kind of clumping up?
Yeah.
That's when you know you're out of time. So
now, what are you doing? Why are you bondoing it?
Because it's wavy. As I felt it with my hand, it kind of went like that.
Okay.
Okay, so we are out of time, and then that is all the time you have for Bondo there, folks.
Well, that's all, folks.
Wait, no, that's not all yet.
Oh.
Okay, hold on.
And after, when it dries, what are you gonna do? You're gonna sand it down so it's evened out?
Yeah, I'm just gonna use my fucking, nose. I'm just gonna go until it's all fucking smooth. Okay, also, if you are using reusable fucking spatulas, I advise you to clean them off before they get hard. Either immediately with a razor, or wait till they get extra crispy and then you can break them off via bending and twisting the spatula. Or you could just go the whole thing away. Still got fucking Bondo on my toe. This is why we wear shop clocks, folks. And that's all for now.
Here you go.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye.